Ideogram 4.0 just launched, and it is a complete game changer for open source image generation. This model has exceptional quality, incredible prompt adherence, and superior world understanding. What makes it different from other top models is how it works. Most people struggle with it at first, but once you understand the workflow, you discover it is incredibly powerful and vastly underrated. Let me break down everything Ideogram 4.0 can do, its standout features, how it compares to other models, and why it matters. Ideogram 4.0 is an open-source image generation model that was just released. It is designed to give users unprecedented control over image composition and layout while maintaining exceptional quality across all types of requests. The model understands complex prompts, handles intricate details, and supports a wide range of artistic styles and mediums. What sets it apart from competitors is its unique approach to generation that prioritizes user control and precision over speed. Ideogram 4.0 demonstrates deep understanding of characters, objects, and concepts. It can generate specific characters consistently and accurately. It understands how to compose multiple elements together in coherent ways. The model has extensive knowledge about different styles, aesthetics, and artistic movements. Whether you need photorealistic images, anime styles, watercolor paintings, or abstract art, the model can deliver. One of the most impressive features is text rendering. Most image generators fail at generating readable text, but Ideogram 4.0 handles it exceptionally well. You can specify typography, font styles, sizes, and colors with precision. Text comes out clean, readable, and styled exactly as requested. This makes it perfect for creating posters, advertisements, social media graphics, and any design that requires text integration. What makes Ideogram 4.0 fundamentally different is its bounding box composition control. Instead of just typing a prompt and hoping for the best, users can drag bounding boxes across a canvas to specify exactly where every element should appear in the image. You define regions for different objects, text, and backgrounds. You can specify what should go in each box and how it should look. This gives you complete control over composition, layout, and spatial arrangement. This feature is incredibly powerful for detailed work. You can control the placement of micro details like hands, feet, facial expressions, and poses. You can create complex multi-element scenes where every component is exactly where you want it. You can design posters with text positioned perfectly. You can create advertisements with product placement and layout control. You can build intricate scenes with dozens of elements all positioned precisely. You can specify visual style in great detail. Choose between photo, painting, or other mediums. Specify aesthetics like minimalist, cyberpunk, cinematic, dark, vintage, or contemporary. Control lighting with options like warm, cool, sunrise, sunset, golden hour, or harsh flash. Select artistic mediums like oil painting, watercolor, canvas, realistic photo, collage, or poster style. Combine multiple style parameters to achieve exactly the aesthetic you want. Ideogram supports an extensive range of aspect ratios. You can create standard formats like 16 by 9. You can go super vertical at 9 to 32. You can go super wide at 32 to 9. Every ratio in between is supported. This versatility makes it suitable for any project, whether you need desktop backgrounds, mobile images, posters, banners, or specialty formats. The model excels at understanding and executing complex, detailed prompts. You can describe intricate scenes with multiple elements, specific interactions, and precise requirements. The model maintains coherence across all elements. It understands spatial relationships, object interactions, and narrative context. This capability is far beyond what most open-source generators can achieve. When comparing Ideogram 4.0 to other leading image generators, the results are striking. In terms of image quality, Ideogram consistently produces sharper, more detailed results. The colors are more vibrant and accurate. Fine details are rendered with exceptional clarity. On prompt adherence, Ideogram 4.0 outperforms competitors significantly. Complex prompts with multiple elements are understood and executed correctly. Specific requests for style, composition, and details are followed precisely. The model does not ignore parts of the prompt or interpret them incorrectly like other models sometimes do. World understanding is another area where Ideogram excels. The model understands objects, characters, concepts, and their relationships. It grasps context and narrative implications. It knows how different elements should interact and appear together. When compared to Z-image, Ideogram produces better prompt adherence and more detailed results. When compared to other open source generators, Ideogram is simply the best option available right now in terms of overall quality, control, and capability. Generation time is roughly 1 minute per image, which is slower than some competitors but faster than others. The trade-off for superior quality and control is worth the wait for most use cases. Users can also batch generate multiple images to offset the generation time. The bounding box feature alone makes Ideogram fundamentally superior for composition control. No other open source generator offers this level of precision in element placement and layout design. This feature is game-changing for designers, creators, and anyone who needs exact control over their images. Here is something important to understand before using Ideogram 4.0. The model operates under a non-commercial license. This means you can use it freely and generate unlimited images for personal use. You can create content for yourself, for learning, for portfolio building, and for non-commercial projects without any restrictions. However, if you want to use Ideogram 4.0 for commercial purposes, you need to contact their sales team. This includes selling images you generate, using them in commercial products, monetizing content created with the model, or any business venture that involves the generated images. The non-commercial license does not allow this. You would need a commercial license agreement with explicit permission to use the model and its outputs for profit. This is an important distinction. For personal projects, hobby work, and learning, Ideogram is completely free and unlimited. For commercial work, you need to secure proper licensing first. Make sure you understand your use case before generating large amounts of content. Ideogram 4.0 represents a significant leap forward for open source image generation. The bounding box feature alone changes what is possible in terms of creative control. Combined with superior quality and prompt understanding, Ideogram is the clear choice for personal and creative projects. The learning curve is real. The bounding box system takes time to get used to, but once you master it, you gain capabilities that are simply not available anywhere else. The investment in learning the workflow pays off immediately in the precision and quality of your outputs. If you are interested in trying Ideogram 4.0 but do not know how to install it locally, a complete step-by-step installation guide for running it with Comfy UI has been shared in the description below. The installation process is straightforward and works on most computer systems. Detailed troubleshooting and setup instructions are included. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI news and updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.